The AIPER Scuba S1 pool cleaner offers exceptional cleaning capabilities, efficiently tackling the pool's floor, walls, and waterline with its powerful suction and scrubbing features. Its advanced WavePath Navigation 2.0 system ensures that the cleaning route is optimized, covering the entire pool while reducing cleaning time by avoiding unnecessary overlaps. This pool cleaner is equipped with durable Caterpillar treads, providing superior mobility and stability, allowing it to easily navigate uneven surfaces such as drains and corners. Offering 4 distinct cleaning modes including Auto and Eco, the Scuba S1 caters to various cleaning needs, ensuring comprehensive maintenance of your pool. As a refurbished product, it is certified and tested to meet high standards, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, offering reliability and peace of mind. The Scuba S1's generously sized filter basket effectively traps both large debris and fine particles, maintaining crystal clear water for a pristine pool experience.